Hi everyone, it's Priscilla from the Stitch Queen Crochet, and today I'm going to be showing you all how to do a front post double crochet stitch. I'm using a 5mm crochet hook and medium worsted weight yarn, and I already have a row of double crochet ready to go. I'm going to show you guys how to do it on a double crochet row. So I'm going to turn my work, chain 1 as I usually do when I start my rows, and when you do a front post double crochet stitch, what you're going to be doing is be going around the middle of that stitch. So here's the double crochet that I have. I'm going to be going like this. So to do a front post double crochet stitch, I'm going to wrap the yarn around my hook. I'm going to go around the middle of the stitch below. Wrap the yarn around my hook, pull it through, wrap the yarn around my hook, pull it through 2 loops, 1, 2, wrap the yarn around and pull it through the last 2 loops. I'm going to show you again. Wrap the yarn around your hook, go to the next stitch. You're going to be going around the back, just like that. Wrap the yarn around, pull it through, wrap it around, pull it through 2 loops, wrap it around, pull it through the last 2 loops. And that is how you do a front post double crochet stitch. If you would like to see more crochet techniques, patterns, and tutorials, make sure to subscribe to my channel, like and comment on this video what you'd like to see next. Thank you so much for watching.